Hello, this is Derek. Welcome to another video of Southwest Ireland Rainforest Project. Today I want to talk about the Phoenix Canary. Phoenix Canary comes from the Canary Islands like Lanzarote, Grand Canaria and so on and so forth. This is doing very well in Ireland. It is in the ground a year. Will be in the ground 2 years in January. And it is cold hardy to -6 Celsius. Might be even cold hardier than that, depending on the winter we get. But beautiful specimen should grow to a nice mature size in Ireland. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.